Okay, so this is going to be a short and simple video, so let us just start. First things first, open your desired image in Photoshop. I chose this photo which I clicked a few months back as it has a lot of detail and minute particles which are practically not possible to mask out. But before starting, I think there are few things you should know about. In order to get a pure black background, it is absolutely necessary that your subject falls under direct sunlight and is easily separated from the background. I suggest use a telephoto lens for this. If your photo has the subject in shadow or if the background is bright, then you would have to use a different process. We would start by duplicating the original layer. Now select the top layer and open Camera Raw filter. This stage is important. You have to mess with the darker regions and make them totally black. This is where the properly lit subject helps. Keep playing with the sliders until you are satisfied. And keep in mind, we will further mask it out, so don't worry if your subject is looking dark or oversaturated. I purposely increased the shadows as the image consists of a lot of fine particles and I didn't want to lose them. And I desaturated it a bit as it was very vibrant. Once you are done, hit OK, and by selecting the top layer, add a mask. And invert the mask by pressing Ctrl and I. Now select the mask which you have inverted and select brush tool. Make sure it is white and paint on the region which you want to be black. By this point, you are halfway done. There are few adjustments remaining to fine-tune the image. Hit Ctrl, Alt, Shift and E together to combine all the layers into one and duplicate it. Now you have to follow the same process again, but this time only focus on the imperfections. I had to paint black on the bright areas in the background. If you are painting anything, make sure you do it on a completely new layer. And now as I have painted, I lost those particles and the image feels a little incomplete. So I cleaned it up using the clone stamp tool. And there you have it, pure black background.